Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Lora, and today I have something very special to share with you. A couple of weeks ago, I was on Possum Patty's channel, and if you don't know Possum Patty, you must go check out her channel. I'll go ahead and link her down below, but she does wonderful journaling projects, and she just happened to get something special in the mail, and I just fell in love with it, so I decided to get one too. Let me go ahead and open up my package and show you what I'm talking about. So here is my package. And let me go ahead and open it. I'm so excited to open this. I have been waiting for this for just not very long, but I just couldn't wait to get it. And I just can't wait to show it you. I can't wait to see it. This package right here has come all the way from the United Kingdom. Okay, so now I'm going to open it up. Oh, look at her. She is just beautiful. Look at her. She's a little fairy. She's handmade. This is by Dora and Ducky on Facebook. Now, when I was watching Possum Patty's video, I saw that she got hers from Dora and Ducky. So I immediately went to her Facebook page and I saw this lovely little fairy sitting there, and she had been on the page for a little while, and I was hoping that nobody had purchased her, so I sent Julia a message, the lady that made her, and luckily she was available. And what is very special about this little fairy is that my mom gave me some money for my birthday, and I used that money to buy this doll. And my mom is getting older, and, you know, her health isn't as great as it should be. And so I got this doll just so I could have something from my mom. She's not able to go shopping for me anymore. And I know that I would cherish this little fairy doll because I love fairies. And I named her Petunia Grace because I always give my mom petunias in a basket, and she loves petunias. And Grace is her middle name because my mother had a baby before me that passed away, and her middle name was Grace. So Petunia Grace, welcome home. You have a new home here with me in my yarn room, and I just hope you enjoy it here. And I just hope that you think she is as cute and as adorable as I do. I'm going to have to put her up on my shelf so that she can be a part of all my live streams. I love her so much. And that's not it. It also came with a cute little note, and it says, "Hello, Laura. Thank you for giving this little fairy a forever home. She is looking forward to meeting new friends. Love, Julia, Fairy Godmother." And then there is a beautiful little book that it comes with that she made. Look at that. Oh, isn't that just, it's so precious. I could almost cry. And then there's a little frog with a crown on it. This is so beautifully done. And then here's some of the blue lace that's like matches her. And it pulls out into a little card. Isn't that so cute? Oh my goodness, I'm just tickled pink. And then here's the next page. Oh, I just love this so much. And then it says dreams, and then it has a little fairy. And then another little card that says cherish. And has like a little branch on there. Oh, it's so cute. I really love this so much. And Dora and Ducky on Facebook is where I got this. If you want to get one of your own little fairies, they're all unique and individual and handmade. No two are alike. I love my little Petunia Grace, and I hope you do too. She said, hi. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I know this isn't crochet related, but she's going to be my new little partner in crime here. Petunia. Yeah. Bye, everybody. Have a great day.